From the outside looking in, Zimbabwe's political landscape appears increasingly unstable. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's sudden return from Malawi ahead of a high-level pre-CAB meeting has raised eyebrows not for its timing, but for its venue. Reports suggest that the meeting was relocated to his private Borodo residence, a move that signals a troubling shift away from institutional transparency toward personalized power consolidation. Sanapinda mashoko zvizere ari kuda panguva ino ari kunzi kune ma-indoor meetings ari kuitika panguva inoyi ekuplota kuti generally vokudubutswa sei. Panguva inoyi tiona kunzi even the Zimbabwean president yesterday haana kumbotora ma-hours akati kuti ariko kuMalawi kuti vosubscribe like otombe bell kuchiendera mberi muzere mukudanyi kwamuchinzi. The backdrop is a deepening rift within ZANU-PF, where Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga are locked in a bitter succession battle. What began as internal party friction is now spilled into the public domain, with allegations of looting, fractional sabotage, and strategic alliance with foreign powers. Mnangagwa's inner circle includes figures like Kudakwashe Tagure and Yukino Chivayo, individuals widely criticized for their role in Zimbabwe's economic decline. Their presence at these clandestine meetings raises serious concerns about governance and accountability. For international observers, this is more than a democratic power struggle. It's a test of Zimbabwe's democratic resilience. The Borodale meetings, the sidelining of dissenting voices, and the politicization of state institutions all point to a worrying erosion of democratic norms. If left unchecked, these developments would destabilize not only Zimbabwe, but the broader Southern African region. The world is watching. Zimbabwe's future must not be decided in private villas, but in public forums where the rule of law and the will of the people prevail. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu vachiuya vachidhifenda vachimirira VP Constantino Chiwenga ari kuonekwa kunzi panguva ino amomoterwa maplans ekuwisa general ndo ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kungogarwa pasi each and every day. Mbotidze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section yedu za mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chitoambe bell icon.